ChatGPT is really good at making JSON data. So for this template, there needs to be a whole bunch of these IDs, starting with a number going to possibly in the hundreds. So instead of having to fill out all of this like really tedious data, it is a really great job for ChatGPT. So let's try it. Let's go to ChatGPT. Can you make me an array of JSON data objects? Each one should have an ID, a class name, and an alt property. The first ID should be 001, or if you were just going from 1 to whatever, you could do that. And at, let's say, 120. And then let's also, in random, let's see, I want to like randomly add a class name. Add a class name of jitter to a random selection of these objects, making them appear in about, I don't know, 40% of the objects. Okay, let's see what we get. Okay, looks good so far. 01, 02. Yeah, it's even giving me alt text, which is not super helpful, but I suppose better than nothing. Oh, wait, would you like me to generate the full array? Yes. And you can leave the alt tags empty. Alt tags, alt properties. Okay, ID, class name. Looks pretty good. Would you like to give the full array? Yes. Yes, please. Okay, let's take a look at what we got. Open. What's it going to open with? No. I want to open it with VS Code. Downloads. There we go. Cool. ID 01, class name. Cool. All right. This looks pretty good. Yeah. I might even, like, maybe there's a class called Shake that also gets applied to some of them. But this looks good. This is like better than typing out all these numbers one at a time. All right. And yeah, okay. Thank you.